Hi, I'm Dr. Doreen Downing. I'm a psychologist, and my work is about helping people speak truthfully, speak from their heart, speak what's really up for them. And what I'd like to do today in this brief presentation is to introduce you to a program I'll be doing. I'll be doing it live. That will be in Larkspur, California. That's Northern California. And it will be that'll be Friday, August 19th, 9 to 11 a.m. And the program is about storytelling. Do you feel like you have a story that you want to tell, but you don't know how? I'm calling it Moment Meaning Message. And in Moment Meaning Message, I can teach you how to take any moment in your life, almost any moment in your life, and unwrap the meaning in it so that there's a message that you can give to your listeners. Some of them have to do with events like first date, first kiss, uh, um, how you met your partner, where you met your partner, school, graduations. So you can see that your life is a treasure chest, and it has so many rich nuggets, so many rich moments. In the workshop, I'll be helping people uh, connect the moment, the meaning, and what it is, the message that comes out of that moment, and then how to tell your audience. And my message for you today is, and then basically it's almost like paint by numbers, moment meaning message. And it's easy, it's effortless, and it's enjoyable